Hello friends, I am HL Gupta. I am going to make you understand illustration 39 of joint and byproduct of CMA inter cost accounting. Okay, first group. Okay, please read the questions here. Illustration number 31. 39, sorry, 39. Look at here. The progressive manufacturing company manufacture one main product and two byproduct data for the given below. This is a main product, byproduct. Now, manufacturing costs are given here before separation. Before separation means this. Before separation, it means this is the point of inflation. The these costs are said to be before separation. These, and that is said to be the joint cost. Joint cost is 75,000. This is joint cost not for main product. This is a joint cost for byproduct A as well as byproduct B. This is joint cost. After separation, the cost is 23,000. Suppose this is the A, this is the main product, this is the main product, this is the A and this is the B. Then this is 23,000. This expenditure for this is 2200. This is the 1800. Okay, and this administrative cost is also given for this 12,000. This is the 1500. This is 1000. This is a given. After separation, ratio of distribution of selling expenses, selling cost are distributed. Total selling cost 85% of total selling cost, 10% of total selling cost, 5% total selling cost. Net profit is also given in this case. Net profit is also given. Now you have to calculate what is the joint cost for main product, joint cost for byproduct A, joint cost for byproduct B. Then this can be solved on the basis of reversal cost method as I discussed in previous illustration. Okay, now first we need to calculate first what is the selling distribution total cost. What are the total cost first? Okay, thereafter after calculating total cost, then we can calculate selling cost after subtracting profit. Okay, now let's go working note first. Working note first. Calculation of total cost. Calculation of total cost. In this case, joint cost. Joint cost for three product, that is the given 75,000. Thereafter, separation cost. Separation cost. What are the separation cost is given in this case? Look at here. This is 23,000, 2200, 1800. Okay, 23,000 plus 2200 plus 1800. This is 27,000. 27,000. Administrative cost. Administrative cost. What is the administrative cost? Look at here. In this case, 12,000, 1500, 1000. 12,000, 1500, 1000. This is 13,000, 14,500. Total cost except selling expenses. Total cost except selling expenses my main target is to calculate selling expenses, because selling expenses is not given, and selling expenses are distributed among main product, byproduct, and byproduct A, byproduct B, percentage basis, that is 85%, 10%, and 5%, like that. The my main purpose to calculate selling expenses. How to calculate the selling expenses? That is sales minus profit minus total cost except selling expenses. Okay, so adding these all, you have a total cost 1,16,500. 1,16,500. What is this? 1,16,500. Once I'm going to add 75,000 plus 27,000 plus 14,500, 1,16,500. Okay. Now I'm going to calculate the total profit. Working note second. Calculation of total profit. Calculation of total profit. Your calculation of total cost except selling expenses. Except selling expenses. Okay, except selling expenses. Calculation of total profit. Profit of main product. Profit of byproduct A. Profit of byproduct B. What will be the here? Look at here. Question is given here. This is a sales revenue, and the profit percentage given 20%, 15%, 10%. 20%, 15%, 10%. Then 20% of 1,50,000. 20% of 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 15% of 12,000, and that is 10% of 7,000. Then this will be 30,000, 30,000, 1,800, 700. Total profit will be rupees. Total profit will be 32,500. 32,500. Look at it. Total cost we have calculated, total profit we have calculated, total sales revenue we can calculate. Working note 3. Working note 3. Calculation of total sales revenue. So how can I write sales revenue of main product, sales revenue of byproduct A, sales revenue of byproduct B. Look at here. What are the sales revenue in these questions? 1,50,000 of main product, 12,000 of byproduct A, 7,000 of byproduct C. Rupees 1,50,000, 12,000, rupees 1,50,000, 12,000, 7,000. 7,000. Total sales revenue. Rupees 1,69,000. Look at it. Selling expenditure are not given in these questions. Selling expenses for main product is 85% of total selling expenses. Selling expenses of byproduct A 10% of total selling expenses. Selling expenses of byproduct B 5% of total selling expenses. But selling expenses are not given in these questions. Then for calculating selling expenses, what we calculate, total sales revenue minus total cost minus total cost except selling expenses minus total profit. Okay, now working note, I am going to calculate here. Working note 4, calculation of selling expenses, calculation of total selling expenses, total selling expenses. Okay, sales revenue, total sales revenue, total sales revenue rupees 1,69,000 less profit. This is total profit I am going to. Total profit, it is calculated here. Total profit is 32,500 here. 32,500. This is 32,500. Total cost. Total cost. What will be after subtracting this 32,500? You will have total cost 1,69,000 minus 32,500, 1,36,000, 1,36,500 less total cost except selling expenditure, selling expenses. So total cost except selling expenses 1,16,500 here. 1,16,500. 1,16,500. After this, you can calculate selling expenses. Selling expenses. In the given question, these selling expenses were not given, and the selling expenses of main product are 85% was given. Selling expenses of byproduct A 10% is given. Selling expenses of byproduct B, that is 5% is given in the question. Look at here in these questions. Ratio of distribution of selling cost, that is 85%, 10%, 5%. Okay, after this you can calculate selling expenses of, look at here, working note, calculation of selling expenses of product A, main product, byproduct A, and byproduct B. Okay. Selling expenses of main product, main product, 85% of 20,000, 17,000, byproduct A 10% of 20,000, this is the 2,000. Selling expenses byproduct B 5% of 20,000, this is 1,000. Total selling expenses we have calculated here for the separate. So this is your 20,000. Okay, which we have calculated. Now we can calculate byproduct joint cost for main product, joint cost for main product, byproduct A and byproduct B. Here a statement showing joint cost of main product, byproduct A and byproduct B. Look at it. Main product, byproduct A, product A, this is your B. Thereafter total product, right here sales revenue. This is a reversal cost method. Sales revenue, that is given 1,50,000, 12,000, 7,000, 1,69,000. These all are in rupees. Less profit. This profit already we have calculated 30,000, 1,800. All costs have been calculated. All data is calculated earlier. This is 32,500. Thereafter this calculate total cost. Total cost 1,20,000. Total cost in this case 1,20,000, 12,000 minus 1,800. This is 10,200. This is 6,300. Less separation cost. Separation cost is 23,000. 2,200. This is 18,000. This cost is 1,69,000 minus 32,500. This is 1,36,500. A separation cost is 27,000. Okay. Less administrative cost. Administrative cost of main product is 12,000, 1,500, 1,000, 27,000. This 14,500. less selling expenses. We have already calculated 17,000, 2,000 selling expenses, 1,000. After this, joint cost will come. Joint cost 1,36,000 minus 27,000 minus 14,500 minus 20,000. This is 75,000. Okay, so we had joint cost 75,000. 6,300 minus 1,800 minus 2,000. 2,500. This is 2,500. Okay, now 10,200 minus 2,200 minus 1,500 minus 2,000. This is 4,500. In this case, 1,20,000 minus 23,000 minus 12,000 minus 17,000, 68,000. These are the joint cost we have calculated. Okay, beta, this is the way of solving these questions. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my video as much as you can. Okay beta. Okay, thank you class.